What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and if you're watching this video, I'm sure you travel a lot, right? Hence, it's only wise to know how we can save money whenever we travel overseas, right? So based on my experience, this is the one true hack that can help us with that. Come, let me tell you more. Okay, so I'm not gatekeeping anything anymore. The one true way to save money is by using Wise. Wise is basically a global company that aims to help us transact and transfer money easily with great rates. With Wise, we can basically spend like the locals. For example, Japan. Wow, it's really cheaper to pay using Wise in Japan. Oh. Or Singapore. So in short, it's a transparent and easy to use service made for travelers like you and me. So to get started, all we need is a Wise account. You can click on the description below to get straight to the website. With this Wise account, you can save money when transacting in more than 160 countries and up to 40 currencies. So for example, 1,000 ringgit Malaysia converts to about 32,000 plus yen, okay? But if you don't use Wise, you might actually need 1,050 ringgit around there in order to get the same amount of yen. So once you have the Wise account, you can pay for stuff using either the Wise card like a normal debit card, or like me, add it into your iPhone and pay using Apple Pay. With this card, you can pay for stuff physically and even online. You can also withdraw money that you have inside your Wise account using the Wise card when you are abroad. There's only a very low withdrawal fee when you take out more than 1,000 ringgit. Okay, lastly, you can also send money to family and friends when you're in another country. This is really great when you want to tumpang your friends to buy stuff in their countries and you want to pay them with their local currency. With Wise money transfers, you only get charged the mid-market fee, which is what you can see on Google, with no hidden fees. So that's all for my travel hack to save money. I've been using Wise since the COVID times and have been using it until now. So remember to sign up using the link in the description below to get yourself a free card or your first transfer fee for free. Okay, so if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!